Welcome. In this tutorial, we will show you how to perform an advanced update firmware operation on a Motorola Moto G15 via boot mode. Connect your powered-off device to your computer and wait until ChimeraTool detects it. When prompted, select the proper device model for your case. Once the device has been identified, go to the Software Repair tab and select the Advanced Update Firmware option. Now, as we can see, the interface changes, showing a directory tree of your device's partitions, allowing you to perform a series of operations at once. Using the checkbox next to each partition, you can choose which operation to perform. A blue icon indicates that the partition will be written based on the file selected for the operation. A green disk icon represents that the partition will be read and saved to your local disk at the selected location. And the red eraser icon indicates that the selected partition will be erased. It is also possible to filter and search for specific partitions, making navigation easier. Additionally, by selecting a parent partition, all child partitions can inherit the same operation, whether it is write, read, or erase. You can also save a preset of your selected operations into a file, which can later be loaded and reused for another device. This allows you to quickly repeat complex workflows without reconfiguring everything again. The main advantage of the Advanced Update Firmware feature in ChimeraTool is the ability to combine multiple operations into a single automated process, saving time and increasing efficiency. When you are ready, click on Start Procedure. ChimeraTool will ask for a confirmation to prevent unintended actions. Then, wait for Chimera to complete the operation. And as we can see, the process has finished successfully. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials and tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.